Hey, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget. Today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you my first impressions of trying out a magnetic mask. What? So I do my best to try to take care of my skin, but I do have some struggles, including acne scars, texture trouble, discoloration, etc., etc. So I'm always looking for something that is unique that will help my skin. I am a huge fan of e.l.f. cosmetics. Why? You can pretty much guess it. They are affordable. That is what my channel is all about, and they are cruelty-free and vegan, which is something I'm passionate about. So when I recently had the opportunity to pick out an item that I wanted to try, I decided to go with a mask because that's what I was actually looking for. So I decided to go with this. This is the Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Mask. That sounds so wild, and I love that. I wanted to do something because I do care a lot about my skincare, but I want it to be like an experience. Like a mask is a time for you to like treat yourself, treat your skin, but also feels like a pampering moment. So anything that looks like kind of an adventure, I wanted to dive in. I'm really grateful to Magic Links and e.l.f. Cosmetics for allowing me to pick out an item that I could be gifted, and I can't wait to see how this works out. Now, if you remember a couple months back, I did a video on a full face of makeup from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I felt like I pretty much bought out the whole store, but I didn't break the bank because e.l.f. is so affordable. So I figured this time around, I wanted to look for something that was different. This mask looked really interesting because of how you actually use it, but also what was in it. It's antioxidant rich and that it helps prevent against environmental aggressors, which is great. Pollution, smoke, dust. And the unique thing is that you don't wash this mask off after. That was quite the adjustment. I just wasn't used to that. Here's what comes inside the mask. You get the magnetic mask right here. I'll show you a little close up. This is what it looks like. This is the magnet on this side, the heavy weighted side, and the other side is actually a scooper to scoop out the magnetic mask so that it's pretty much mess free. Finally, you get these plastic covers. There's 20 of them that come in this pack, and then you just put the plastic cover over the top of the mask, and then you just pull it off right after, and that's it. All right, so let's get into using this mask. This mask felt so velvety smooth. Honestly, it felt like I was putting on cupcake frosting onto my face, which I kind of love. As I covered my face, I put the little plastic cover on, and now the magic happens. This was crazy to see it just lift off so easily, and I didn't have to press the magnet into my skin at all. I just hovered it over. The way that the mask ended up being pulled off of my skin, it looked like 3D art. It was kind of crazy. And even though it looks like the magnet is fully covered, I was still able to get the product off of my skin by just lightly brushing across my face. So even though it was still covered, it still magnetized, which was great. The most surprising thing was how soft my skin was after. I did not expect that at all. Overall, I think this is a really cool mask. It's a unique experience in and of itself. I loved how my skin felt after. It was so nice and soft. I didn't experience any breakouts or anything like that, which is great and really key for me when I'm looking for new skincare products. I definitely recommend this. I think if you're looking for a mask and you want to try something that's unique, if you're not looking for anything that kind of strips your face or makes it feel really dry after, like the clay masks and all that, this is a great alternative, something that leaves your skin feeling nice and soft. It has carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, argan oil, all things that are very, very, very moisturizing. But I did not see myself get oily or anything like that. So it was a really, really good balance for my skin. Comment down below some of your favorite products from e.l.f. If you're interested in makeup, you can check out that video that I have on the full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is similar to what I'm wearing right now. I pretty much have like almost all of my e.l.f. Cosmetics stuff on right now. So I'll link some of my favorites down below if you want to check them out, or if you want to check that video. And I'll also have this link down below too if you want to check it out, because this is so dope and such an experience. So that's my video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.